What up? So the day is finally here. We got our brand new tires from eBay. I think I paid about like $220 for these. We got the center caps painted white. Now the only thing left to do is to get these mounted and see how they look on the MInica. And then from there, I just got a text that my car is gonna be ready to be picked up in 2 weeks. I'll show you guys a sound clip right here. That's all I'm gonna give you guys. I'm not gonna tell you what car it is just yet, but here's a sound clip of how it sounds. I think it's like a 5-second video. So that should be here around November 15th-ish. And I don't know what to do with the MInica. So I'm gonna complete this car. Let's get the rims on, let's see how it looks. I'm gonna get some wheel locks, make the car look nice and spiffy. And then from there, it's either gonna be a MInica giveaway. We'll do another waffle for this. Or I might just post it. I'm thinking I'm gonna post it at first just to see if I get some offers. Probably post it around like 6 to 7,500, something like that. For someone watching, I do probably close to 6. But for like Facebook Marketplace, I'm probably gonna ask like 7,500, you know, work my way down. But yeah, Project MInica. I think I bought this car maybe 2 weeks ago. And it's already looking like this. Let's stop by my favorite auto parts store. Grab some wheel locks. Damn, they only got chrome. Oh no, they got black. All right, cool. I would love white, but I could always just spray paint these white if I really want to. I'm pretty hype how these are gonna look on the car. I feel like the white is really gonna pop. Whenever you have brand new tires, it makes the car look a lot better too. The only flaw is when me and my cousin were boring out the rims, we started with one obviously, and we're kind of just experimenting to see what we have to do to make it fit. And we started from the inside on one of the rims. Then we realized after that we don't have to do that. So this center cap won't fit. So I'm gonna see if I can maybe use the one that was on the car, which is this. I painted it white on my in my backyard. And even this is a little too big, so let's experiment, see what we could do. Or most likely I'm just gonna have to rock out with one rim just showing this, which is kind of ugly, but not the end of the world. Unfortunately, it does not fit. Behind me we have Project MInica. Maybe it's complete form, honestly, at least oh no, I still gotta put the wrap. Forgot about the wrap. But behind me, well, behind the camera, I have Project MInica that is looking fresh. So let me turn the camera around, let me show you guys what I'm looking at. But I'm very proud of how this car looks right now. So there it is, Project MInica, looking nice and clean. What I'm gonna do now is get some spacers on, because even after boring out the rims, the center cap still can't fit flush. I guess maybe the offset just doesn't let it fit. So I'm just gonna add a little spacer. I think it's not gonna make a big difference. And I think the rim will just poke out a little bit, make it look a lot more aggressive. And I happen to have 2 different options here. So I'm gonna see if I do this. Again, it's gonna be a really small spacer. And then if that one doesn't work, I'll try that one out. But the car drives fine. I was driving about like 40 miles per hour and there wasn't any shakes or anything, so that's always good. But now let me jack up the car, let me attempt to try either spacer out, and let's just see how it looks. So here's how it looks fitment wise. You see it kind of sticks out a little bit in comparison to the back. Let me show you guys. I mean, it's really not a noticeable difference at all, but you see how it's just kind of going into the bumper. I like that this one is a little more flush. I am going to pick up more dirt here, which I'm realizing, but that's no issue. And then here's how this side looks. So what I'm going to do now is head to AutoZone. This is the White Knight 630. That's what I use for this one, and it fit perfectly fine. And then after that, I'm going to go on the highway. I want to drive about, you know, 50 miles per hour, make sure there's no shakes, make sure there's no rattles. I want to make sure the car is safe, because that's obviously priority number 1. And then I'll do some brainstorming on how exactly we're going to mount this, because I don't really want to cut into the plastic. I don't want to do anything too permanent on this, because whoever gets the car next might find this cheesy and just throw it away. So I want to just, you know, do something simple. Maybe if it's even like Velcro just to stand it up or have it right there. That way it's more just like a prop instead of something that's really permanent. Oh yeah, and while we're back here, let's see if this works. Am I able to use this now or no? Look at that. Look at that. Doesn't that just look a lot cleaner than that? All right, success. Let's hope that AutoZone has this. That's gonna be your only downfall. If I have to order it online, it will be pretty annoying, but they're only a couple blocks away, so let's drive over there. From my understanding, it's always been right here. I see that one, but that's obviously way too big. Let me ask around and see if they have any more. I don't really feel like driving all over the place for these spacers. I might just order it online, but they also have this, which is kind of cool. I've never seen them in red and blue. If this was a different blue, I think I would buy it. So I just called, and they don't have it at this store, but they have one about 20 minutes away. So let's head over there in the white night. They got it. Now that we're back home, let's install the spacers. Let's go on a highway drive and let's see how it feels. And just like that, spacers are in. Fitment, I mean, it kind of looks the same, but I love the fact that I have the center caps on now. And yes, I know there's Suzuki center caps. To me, it only makes it more of a sleeper build. I don't think a lot of people know what a MInica is in the first place, and I'm not a big, like, there's certain things I care about a car, certain things I don't care about a car. This thing, Suzuki, changes nothing. I know it could say Mitsubishi, it'd be a little cooler, but to me, it makes no difference. I don't feel like I should spend 20-30 bucks for it to say Mitsubishi and then repaint it white. It's not worth it. And now for the most important part. Currently going 70 kilometers an hour. I feel absolutely no shakes, no vibrations. The wheel is straight. I'm going to continue to drive and find a longer straightaway. That way I can get up to, I haven't gone really like over 100 kilometers an hour in this car, so I don't really plan on doing that now. But I want to cruise around 90, which is where I usually just chill out. That's 52 miles per hour. So let me get on the highway, let me get away from all this traffic, and let's see if I can go 52, 55, maybe even 60 miles per hour comfortably without any, you know, vibrations or anything to be worried about. Good sign, 80 kilometers an hour. You can see the wheel, I'm not touching it at all. We have no shakes, no crazy vibrations. That's a good sign. I'm wait till I get some more space, and I'm gonna see if I can hit 90, which is usually what I do on the highways. I'm usually around like 80 to 90. I think this car at like 120 would be pushing it. I think even 100, which is 62 miles per hour, is kind of pushing it. I haven't done that too much, but I do have brand new tires, so I have a little more confidence in this car. I think after this hill, I should have a pretty good straightaway. Taking the bumps good too. I don't feel any rubbing. Oh wow, I didn't even realize I was going this fast. Wow, okay. So we're hitting 100. Again, look at the wheel. 60 miles per hour. No shakes, no nothing. Nice and spiffy. I don't know why I keep saying spiffy, but I'm very happy. I'm happy that I got my tires on. I'm happy I got my rims on. I'm gonna do one more 360 before I end this video, but as you guys can see, we have no shakes, no crazy vibrations. That makes me so happy. I don't know if you guys understand. I was like genuinely nervous that after I bored the rims out, that, you know, that was just a waste of time, and then those rims are going to be scrap and I wouldn't be able to use them. But I bored them out perfectly. I even got the spacers to make it fit even better, and now I have another big straightaway ahead of me. We're able to go 80, 90, 100, and from here, you know, I'm pushing it. I'm going 62 miles per hour. I'm passing a lot of people. Even the guy behind me, I'm kind of smoking. But there you go. MInica's complete. I'm going to end this video here. Can't wait to see what you guys have to say about how the car looks. And you know we got to do the 360 at night. Look at this car. It's been literally 2 weeks. I actually went back and looked at it. It's been 2 weeks since I bought the MInica, who looked dusty and was looking like it was on its last leg. Whole car completely painted. underglow, radio, speakers, rims, tires, the list goes on. But I'm gonna end this video here. Project MInica will be for sale soon, sadly. I'm gonna go into that in the next video, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace out.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.